Hello students. Hello. Today we are going to discuss C chart. These are the formula students you need to apply in this Excel sheet. That is for UCL it is C bar plus 3 root of C bar. C bar is what? Mean. And CL is C bar and LCL is C bar minus cube root of C bar. Now just see students. I have written the question values here in the Excel sheet. Just write here UCL, LCL and CL. Okay. Now for you first we will calculate the average because average is nothing but C bar, right? So for average put your cursor here, click equal to. Whenever you click equal to, the computer will understand that you are doing calculations. So AVER, here average, click on average, double click this and come here. You have to calculate this average, no? Just click this till the last, till the 15th value. Just close it and close the bracket, click enter. You got the answer for C bar, which is CBAR bar. C bar I will write just for understanding purpose. Now for UCL, what is the formula students for UCL? It is C bar plus cube root of C bar, right? So here we will write equal to C bar is what? 5.4 plus 3 in root of 3 into square root SQRT. You got the formula here, SQRT. What is that you have to put? 5.4. Just click this and close the bracket. Just to make it for other cells also, because in all the cells you need to put the same formula. So either you can put here ampersand. I will show you another method also. Put ampersand of B and 17. Sorry, dollar symbol of B and dollar symbol of 17. And here also students, dollar symbol of B and dollar symbol for 17. Once you put this, you can put equal to enter, you will get the answer here, and it will be applicable for all other values also same. This is one method of putting dollar symbol of B and dollar symbol of 17. Another method is students is equal to, you can put C bar. What is the answer for C bar students? It is 5.4. You can write 5.4 plus in bracket you write 3 into in bracket 5.4, again one bracket close, two bracket close. Just click enter. You will get, did I write plus? I have written plus here. I'm just changing it student, and square root also I did not write. Just change this SQ square root. I had to write and minus for LCL, right? Minus. Plus for UCL and minus for LCL. Click enter. You got the answer. Either this way, another way student. Another way is you can write equal to this value which you have with minus of again cube 3 into SQRT square root of what? Square root of same value B17, close bracket. Just to make it confined, what you do students? You will put here you will put here dollar and a dollar sign. Again here also put a dollar sign and a dollar sign. Click enter. You got the same value for the first one also and second one also. But students, because you are doing C chart, there should never be a negative value. If you are getting any negative value, put 0 to that answer. In short, wherever here I got negative values, no? So that means I need to put 0, 0 to all LCL values. So I'm just putting 0 here and I'll drag above also as well as below also here, all zeros. Okay, understood students? We got the answer minus in negative sign, that's why we are putting 0 instead of putting negative sign. And students, what is the formula for CL? It is C bar. C bar is what, students? C bar is nothing but this one, 5.4. 5.4. Just put that 5.4 here and click here. Come to this small box, southeast corner. Click enter. Double click it, it will be visible for all. Now, just drag this whole thing from here till here. I'm dragging the students. Just drag this and click on insert, and here in the standard bar you have XY scatter. Just click this arrow and click the second subtype. Okay, I'm taking the second subtype. Click here, you will get the chart. Then click that chart, you will get the number of options. Which type of chart would you like to take it for your convenience? Suppose I am liking this one, I am clicking that chart. Then again I want to have x-axis and y-axis also, students. To get x-axis and y-axis, I'll click here and click to this first one. I will get x-axis and y-axis also. Just click axis title. Just come here and take, just I'm copying it, Control C, and you can type also, but I like to copy and paste it here. Okay, then in y-axis, what is y-axis, students? Number of defects, right? Just copy it, Control C, and click here, double click to this, delete this part, and Control V for paste. That's it, students. Put it in the required space wherever you want to. Just drag it and keep it here. This is what the answer you had to get. Thank you for listening to my lecture. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe.